Hello, my name is Iskandar. My contribution to this project is to summarize research objectives. Ultimately, the objective of our research is to uncover and study how pandemic affected smaller part of population, which is behavioral services and other related sectors. I believe this contribution will shed the light on pandemic psychological and economic aspect that population might have experienced during pandemic, and find how pandemic affected p-hailing and how population changed their habits in using delivery services.
Assalamu alaikum and hi. My name is Wafi, and my contribution for this project is to allocate tasks for the group members and write parts of the final report and the video review. We learned that management is vital into getting the project done while not rushing too much. Communication between members is also a big factor in our group. We believe that all the skills that we use and the things that we learn in this project, it will definitely help us in the future. Now I leave it to other group members.
I'm Yo, and my contribution for this final project is to elaborate all of the contents of the final report, consisting of the methodology, objectives, and such, and turn all of the contents into the conclusion of this final report. Well, I can say that this project is similar to the ethics project assignment that were assigned to us last semester. And why? It is because we also need to conduct research about a topic or case study, such as what, when, and what happened during a workplace harassment in a certain company. And also, we need to find some information from various resources to aid in our research. Not to mention, we also need to make a final report about the aforementioned research, which is also the same as what we are doing now in our FIS assignment.
So the first challenge that we faced was finding relevant literature from Google Scholar, as this topic is not commonly researched. This is due to the fact that p-hailing is more of a recent trend that has risen in demand since the COVID-19 pandemic. To tackle this issue, we had to scour the internet for any sorts of information that has proven useful in writing our report. Furthermore, we had to approach the report from different angles to insert useful information from our sources in order to complete a more detailed report relating to our topic of choice. Second, we had trouble finding respondents for our survey as our peers had not been directly involved with our chosen topic, so we had to share our survey far and wide through multiple different channels such as WhatsApp, Reddit, and so on. And lastly, communication issues did occur as we do have an international student in our group, and misunderstandings would occur often when we would converse in Malay and or in English. This is more of a minor issue of learning how to relay our thoughts in a much more concise and easy to understand method so that no mistakes would occur.
Hi, Assalamualaikum, I'm Nursi. My contribution in this project is writing the introduction, including the background story, research objectives, problem statement, and the significance of study. In this project, it has helped us to become better in our social, communication, problem solving, and leadership skills. And today I'll explain why. The first one, in terms of social, it helped us to develop that skill when we internally discuss the relevant and related issues with our circle of peers. The second one, in terms of communication, we have to think of the right question to ask ourselves with the right narrative and the accurate wording in order to convey the message we try to bring better. The third one, in terms of problem solving, we have to choose the right method to assess our initial judgment and therefore evaluate it through our findings and data. A weak problem solving skill will lead to a low quality research outcome. The last one is regarding the leadership skills. We are able to harness through our lengthy discussions a lot of virtues along the way and being ethically consistent throughout the whole process. Thank you very much.